Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. Where am I at this week? I'm in Charlottesville, Virginia, and let me tell you, it's a beautiful day and the indoor pool looks really good, but I didn't bring my trunk, so can't go for a dip. What do I want to talk about today? Whenever people call you on the phone, I would strongly encourage you to answer the phone. So often than not, people don't answer the phone, they screen calls. And sometimes they might miss a potential deal because they don't recognize the number and they want to have the person leave a message. Some people won't leave a message. Today in Charlottesville, I was calling realtors, call after call after call. Nobody wanted to pick up. They were all screening their calls. Here's the thing. If you happen to be a potential realtor and you don't recognize the number, what's the worst thing that can happen? Pick up the phone, talk to the person. If it's a salesperson that you don't want to talk to, hang up. But what if it's a client that's calling you to buy a potential property and you didn't want to pick up the phone? The other thing too is sometimes people don't want to work longer hours or weekends. I had a couple of people tell me they didn't work weekends, and I also had a couple of people tell me that they didn't want to show properties past 5 o'clock. That's okay, that's their preference, but would they be a good fit for me? Probably not. So get out there, make some deals happen, pick up your phone and answer it when it rings, and make your real estate dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.